Hi, I'm Arvind Kittur. I have been practicing dentistry now for the last 30 years here in the United Arab Emirates. I recommend as minimum sugar as possible. If you can eliminate sugar from your diet, it is also going to benefit the health of your teeth, the health of the oral cavity. Consuming milk every day will strengthen your bones when you're growing up, will strengthen your teeth as you grow up. The Karak chai culture is so strong here. So it's very important to know what is being added into that very amazing cup of Karak chai that we have and we crave. Try to find an evaporated milk that is has no sugar, added sugar, is low in cholesterol. It's enriched with very important vitamins, help in the absorption of calcium that is required. That's it. I mean, just stay healthy.